Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a kitchen essential that promises to simplify your cooking experience and elevate your meal prep. We're talking about the 12-piece non-stick ceramic cookware set. This isn't just another collection of pots and pans, it aims to be your go-to solution for everything from a quick breakfast to a gourmet dinner. Let's start with what you get. This is a comprehensive 12-piece set, meaning it should cover most of your culinary needs right out of the box. It includes a frying skillet, saucepans with lids, a stockpot, and other essential pieces that make this a very well-rounded offering for everyday cooking. The idea is that you don't need to buy individual pots and pans to build a functional kitchen. The headline feature here is the ceramic non-stick interior. This is what manufacturers promise will make your life easier. The smooth ceramic coating is designed for effortless food release. Think about those moments when you're trying to flip an omelette or slide a delicate fish fillet out of the pan. With a good non-stick surface, that becomes a breeze. This also translates to quick and simple cleanup, which is a huge win for anyone who dislikes scrubbing stuck-on food. Furthermore, it's ideal for low-fat cooking, as you'll need less oil or butter thanks to the non-stick properties. Versatility is key in modern kitchens, and this set seems to understand that. It's all cooktop compatible, meaning it's designed to work with gas, electric, and glass stovetops. This is fantastic news for anyone who has moved homes or is looking to upgrade their current stove. You won't have to worry about buying a whole new set of cookware if your stovetop type changes. Beyond the stovetop, the oven-safe construction adds another layer of functionality. You can start your meal on the stove and then transfer it to the oven to finish cooking, or perhaps to keep it warm. This is particularly useful for dishes like casseroles, roasts, or baked pasta. It allows for a more seamless cooking process, saving you from having to transfer food between different vessels. Durability and ease of cleaning are consistently highlighted, and for good reason. The non-stick surface is built to resist sticking, which, as we've mentioned, makes washing up incredibly fast. Even after cooking particularly sticky foods like sauces, eggs, or caramel, the promise is that a quick wash will be all it takes. This is a significant time saver and reduces a lot of the frustration associated with traditional cookware. Ultimately, this set is marketed as a perfect choice for everyday cooking. Whether you're frying up some bacon, boiling pasta, sautéing vegetables, or simmering a hearty stew, these pots and pans are designed to handle it all. It's presented as a great option for families who need to cook larger meals, for individuals living in apartments with limited space, or really for anyone who just wants reliable cookware for their daily meal preparation. Now, let's consider the pros and cons of a set like this. On the pro side, the comprehensive nature of a 12-piece set is a major advantage. You get a lot of variety, which can be very appealing for those starting fresh or looking to replace an old, mismatched collection. The non-stick ceramic coating is a significant benefit for ease of use and cleanup, especially for those aiming for healthier cooking methods. The all-cooktop compatibility and oven-safe feature add considerable versatility. However, there are always considerations with non-stick cookware. The longevity of the non-stick coating can vary, and it often requires specific care to maintain its performance. While ceramic non-stick is generally considered more eco-friendly than some older non-stick materials, it's still important to be aware of how to properly care for it, such as avoiding metal utensils that can scratch the surface and avoiding abrasive cleaning materials. The oven-safe temperature is also usually moderate, so it's important to check the specific limits if you plan on doing high-heat oven cooking. Another point to consider is that while the set offers variety, the sizes of individual pieces might not be perfect for every single task or every family size. It's always a balance to find the right fit for your personal cooking habits. In conclusion, this 12-piece non-stick ceramic cookware set appears to be a strong contender for anyone looking for a versatile, easy-to-use, and easy-to-clean kitchen solution. It offers a broad range of pieces, compatibility with various stovetops, and the convenience of oven use. If you prioritize quick meal preparation and straightforward cleanup, this set warrants a serious look. Link in the description.